The quantity of heat which can rise the temperature of X grams of substance through T1 degrees centigrade. So the heat which can rise the temperature, that is suppose dQ is the heat energy I can write. So generally dQ formula I can write ms d theta. This is my formula. And d theta, or I can also write delta theta, or simply here no need of even writing dq also. I can just write a heat supplied to some substance, heat supplied. Simply I'm writing q substance. So heat supplied to the substance, and the general formula is ms delta theta. It is also equal to heat supplied to the water. They are telling water. They are telling here, so they have given some stuff like that. And here M1 S1 delta theta 1. Here for water M2 S2 delta theta 2 I am taking here. So now here if you observe carefully, what is M1 here? M1 is X. M1 is X. What is S1? They want ratio of specific heats. They want ratio of specific heats. S1 by S2 is how much? So simply leave it as S1 here. And they gave the temperature rise as T1 degrees centigrade. Directly delta theta 1 only they have given as T1. And here M2 they provided it as Y grams. M2 they provided, first they provided X grams for M1, Y grams here, and here S2 here, and delta theta 2 is what I can write here, T2. From this information I can write S1 by S2 is equal to YT2 by XT1. YT2 by XT1. Everyone in the class check whether you got YT2 by XT1 or not. Third option. Is it clear, beta? Heat provided for the substance and heat provided to the water, both are same. By taking that, they are raising their temperatures. They are raising their temperatures means what is the formula? Heat energy formula when rise temperature is ms delta theta. So here for substance when they provided, I have taken M1 S1 theta delta theta 1, M2 S2 delta theta 2. They provided in the question M1 is X, M1 is X. They provided M2 as Y, delta theta 1 as T1, delta theta 2 as T2. Like that they have given as explanation. So simply from that step, what I wrote, M1 is X, S1 S1 delta theta 1 only they provide as T1. And again here M2 is how much here? Y. S2 like that only. Delta theta 2 is T2. Just I substituted that information. Then when I substituted equating here, I want to find S1 by S2. I want to find S1 by S2. I hope everyone understood this one now. I'm going for next question, beta. Please check the next one. Very simple question it is. Happily you can answer this stuff and no issue at all. I know about you guys. You can handle this one. Now let's go for next question. Yeah, I want to check how many kids can handle this question now. It's a very simple question only, no doubt. Just check this one. Two liquids I'm giving here at a temperature of what they have mentioned here, 60 degrees centigrade, and what is that, 20 degrees centigrade. Two liquids are there. One liquid temperature 60 degrees centigrade, another liquid temperature 20 degrees centigrade. Very happy. Next they told they have masses in the ratio. Directly they told M1 by M2 is 3:4. They gave ratio of specific heats 4:5. And they have mentioned that if the two liquids are mixed, these two liquids are, when the two liquids are mixed here, what they are telling you have to find, the resultant temperature is, always our formula for what? Our formula for resultant temperature is Heat lost by hot body is equal to heat gained by cold bodies. So definitely the first one is hot body because having more temperature. Second one is cold body because of less temperature. So my formula is M1S1 hot body temperature minus resultant temperature. Let me take T as resultant temperature. Resultant temperature beta. So I can write here M2S2 T minus T2. I can write like that. You can check now, beta. Here, what I am doing here, I want to find T value. For that, first I am doing like this: M1 by M2 into S1 by S2 is equal to T minus T2 by T1 minus T. Like that, just I gave those values. Stop. Now I am substituting. Please check now how to handle all the kids in the class. Just substitute the values here. M1 by M2 is 3 by 4. S1 by S2 is 4 is to 5. T minus T2. T minus T is the resultant temperature. T2 is how much here? 20 degrees centigrade. And T1 is how much here? 60 minus T. I can write like that. Now what I can do here? 4 is cancelled. Just cross multiply the stuff. When you cross multiply here, what will happen? 3 into 60 minus T is equal to 5 into T minus 20. 5 into T minus 20 is there. So from here, what should I write? 360 is 180 minus 3T is equal to 5T minus 5 into 20 is 100. So minus 3T I am sending this side. Minus 100 I am sending other side. 100 plus 180 is how much here? 280 is equal to 80T. So 280 is equal to 80T means what can I write here? 280 equal to 80T. Here I wrote from here T equal to 280 by 8. So what is 280 by 8? 4, if you do here 4 2s, 470 by 2, that is nothing but 35 degrees centigrade. This is the resultant temperature. 35 degrees centigrade is my final answer, what I have noticed for this stuff. So I hope now the kids are clear with this question. It is 35 degrees centigrade. Is it clear, kids? So I hope you have capable now to handle this type of problems also. Now let us check the next one. One very interesting question and simple question. Very interesting and simple question I want to discuss with you. I want to check how far you will be able to handle this stuff. Please check this question, everyone in the class. I want all the kids to answer this. One kid is asking last slide. Please don't worry. I will send the total PDF to you. Please don't worry about the last slides. Let's go forward. Yes, kids. Yes. What is the answer you got? Any kid in the class? Quantity of heat loss in condensation of 10 grams of steam to steam at 100 degrees centigrade. Condensation means steam converting to water. Steam at 100. What is condensation? Steam at 100 degrees centigrade converted to water at 100 degrees centigrade. That is called as condensation. I told you in the class, Q heat supplied here will be equal to MLV, mass into latent heat of vaporization. What is the mass given here? 10 grams. But here, units, if I observe in options, they are in joules. So let me write in SI units. 10 grams can be written as 10 into 10 power minus 3 kg, or I can write as 10 power minus 2 kg is the mass here. And what is latent heat of vaporization, beta? Latent heat of vaporization, you know, it is 540 calorie per gram. 540 calorie per gram, I can write it as 540 into 4200 joule per kg. Joule per kg. That is the formula what I can write. From this formula, what is M here? M value I wrote as 10 power minus 2. Here I wrote as 540 into, I wrote it as 4200. So here 0, this 0, 0, this 2 I can cancel. 10 power minus 2 and I'm left with 540 into 42. So what is the answer we are going to get? 540 into 42 means how much you are going to get here answer. So are you going, I think you will get the answer 2.26 in 10 power 5 joules. Please check once your calculation. Everyone in the class, do this calculation now. What calculation you have to do? 540 into 42. Yes. So 540 into 42 means we get 22680. We actually what I got here 22680 I got. I can write it as 2.22680. So one more zero is missing. No, 540 into 42 22680. It is correct. And mass value 10 power minus 2, 4200. So what should I get? 2.2 into, I have to get here how many zeros are there? 10 power 4. So 2.26 into 10 power 4 I have to get. That means answer is not first option. Answer is second option. First option is wrong. Answer is second option. Check here. Check here. Can everyone see the board, beta? Are you able to see the board? Can you observe the board on the screen? Can you observe? Yes, one kid told board is stuck. I think your network issue. Please rejoin, beta. Please rejoin. Reminding all kids can see. Please rejoin. Sometimes due to network issues from your side, you may not watch properly. It's a very simple thing. Q is equal to MLV. That's all. Nothing is there in the question, beta. Very simple stuff. Q is equal to MLV. We got mass as 10 grams, 10 into 10 power minus 3 kg. That is nothing but 10 power minus 2 kg. And I wrote latent heat of vaporization as 540 calorie per gram. Or I can write it as LV is equal to 540 into 4200 joule per kg. Just substitute this one 10 power minus 2 into 540 into 4200. So what I got here is I got the value this 10 power minus 2 cancel 540 into 42. When I solve 540 into 42, I got 22680. So 22680 I got. So 22680 how to write? 2.2680 means 4 zeros you have to handle now. So I can write into 10 power 4. Into 10 power 4. I hope you kids are clear. Here, see here, 2.2 we are writing. That means how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you have to put decimal means 10 power 4. I hope all remaining kids are clear with this stuff also. These are the basic idea problems what we have. Next problem, let's check now. One more interesting problem is there. Let us check that one also. Check this beta. Density of liquid is given to us. So density of liquid A is 0.5 gram per centimeter cube or cc. dB is 0.6 gram per cc. They are given A has having 0.5 gram per cc density and liquid B has 0.6 gram per cc density. They are telling that heat capacity of 8 liters volume. Volume is how much? 8 liters is of A is equal to 8 liters of A is equal to volume of B, that is 10 liters of volume of B, they told. So here they have mentioned that they're asking us to find first of all specific heat ratios SA by SP, and they mention indirectly the hint for us is heat capacities are same. CA is equal to CB. Heat capacities are same. What is his capacity? Mass into specific heat. Mass into specific heat. That is the formula for heat capacity. Mass into specific heat is the formula. And I heard mass can be written as density into volume. So I can write this MA as dA into VA into SA. Similarly, MB as dB into VB into what should I write here? SB. From this formula, what should I write? They are asking us to find the ratio of specific heats. SA by SB is equal to dB by dA into VB by VA. VB by VA. So dB by dA into VB by VA. dB is how much? 0.6. dA is how much? 0.5. VB is how much? 10. VA is how much? 8. I hope all the kids are clear till here. So here till here we have given this information, and I want the value of SA by SB means simply I can write 6 by 5 into 10 by 8. So here how many times? 2 times, and with the 2 this is 3 times and 4 times. So my answer is 3 into 2, that is a 6 by 4, or simply what should I write here? 3 by 2. Answer is 3:2, and it is the second option. Please check everyone. One kid told second, third option, sorry, second option. No, the second option 3:2. Yes. Is it clear, kids? So these are the basic problems of specific heats and latent heats. We are done with the basic idea problems. All basic idea problems very, very important. I will send this PDF and everything to you guys. Please prepare this stuff very well. All the best to all the kids. Now I'm leaving the class. We'll meet in tomorrow's class. Thank you all.